life.
the end of the world, I will do better next time. Oh yeah, I know it. Yeah, I know it. If it's the end of the world, I know that I have lived my life to the fullest. Yeah, the fullest. We stood on top of mountains. We've been to space before. We had our dogs and houses. We dug up dinosaurs. We built those bombs are dropping. We fought in all their wars. Now that the sky's falling, what did we do? It hits the end of the world.
It's gonna surprise you. Watch until the end. Are you serious? Are you serious? Like, okay, drones, airplanes, missiles goes both directions, and now birds. My mind is blown. Is this some kind of concealed weapon or what? How on earth is this even feasible? What leads a bird to snatch an Israeli flag of all things?
Where's it going, look?
إلا تنصروه فقد نصره الله إذ أخرجه الذين كفروا ثاني اثنين إذ هما في الغار إذ يقول لصاحبه لا تحزن إن الله معنا لا تحزن إن الله معنا لا تحزن إن الله معنا فأنزل الله سكينته عليه وأيده بجنود لم تروها وجعل كلمة الذين كفروا السفلى وكلمة الله هي